You may have heard the saying, it's better to ask forgiveness than permission. And while that's true in life and business, with Envisage, you need to ask for permission first. In this video, we'll cover the basics of permission settings available in Envisage. These include access types, account holders, owners, custom permissions, how to beg for forgiveness. Let's start with access types. There are 6 in total. None, view, add, edit, team, manage. If access is none, it means the member can't get any access at all. They can't see it. It won't show up in the search bar. Their world will be barren and empty, like a desert. When access is set to view, the member can only view the information, whether it's a graph, org chart, objective, report, etc. With view, they can't edit or change anything. Add is reserved for graphs and allows a member to add values to graphs, but not edit those values. Edit access allows members to make changes to things, such as a graph, org chart, or objective. Team is a very useful feature that provides managers with access to their juniors, as determined by the org chart hierarchy. Anyone designated the in charge of an area has the ability to edit items created by their juniors. And finally, we have Manage, which provides the ability to create things, such as graphs, org charts, posts, objectives, and so on. Now, each of these access types can be applied to different features. For example, you can set different permissions for graphs and an org chart. You might allow everyone to view the org chart, but only select members to view all graphs. With Envisage permissions, you have full control over who has access to your data. Now, let's discuss account holders. The person who first signed up for Envisage is an account holder. They have access to everything, including payment details and settings for all organizations. The initial account holder can give other members account holder status by going to Account Settings. The owner's permission is created by default whenever you create a new organization. Owners have full access to the organization. They can add and delete anything, including other members. However, they cannot access account settings as their access is restricted to a particular organization. All account holders are added to the owners group by default. Anyone with owners permissions can add other members to owners. Custom permissions. You can easily create your own permission settings. Let's say, for example, you want everyone to be able to view all graphs. To do so, we'll create a new permission called View All Graphs. We'll choose the Include All Members. We'll include all graphs and select View Graph option. When new members are added to Envisage, they'll automatically be able to see all graphs. We could change this to all members being able to see only a select number of graphs, in which case we might call this Team Graphs. Then we might create a permission called Finance Graphs and restrict access to those for key personnel only. With Envisage, you can create as many different permission settings as you need. Keep in mind, only those with owner's permission can create permissions. That leads us to the final tip in this video. Number 5, how to beg for forgiveness. If you accidentally delete something or just need help, reach out to support and beg. We accept cupcakes and anything covered in chocolate. Only kidding, we're here to help. Remember, you can always search our comprehensive help docs for more information. Links in the description below.